This is how the powers of I lead to pi. We're going to start off with a one-dimensional number line, and we want to take the square root of 4. Square root means we're taking 2 steps to get to a number from 1. So we do 1 to 2 to 4. Square root of 4 is 2. This equation doesn't make sense. Ignore that. Then we'll try this with 9, and we say how many steps to go from 1 to 9. It takes 2 steps. So the square root of 9 is 3. Again, ignore that equation. It doesn't make sense. Then we say, what about the square root of negative 1? We need to do 2 steps going from 1 to negative 1. But multiplying by 0 is 0, so that doesn't work. What we actually need is a new dimension, the upside down, an orthogonal plane or a plane perpendicular to where we're at in another dimension. So we start in the real dimension on the real number line at 1, and we step into the new dimension, and then back into the real dimension, and we end up at negative 1. What is that value? That value is I. We can take all the values of I and plot them, and you might be familiar with these four, but we can also plot points in between those, the fractional values of I. We can plot negative values of I. We can plot negative fractional powers of I, and every single power that we raise I to leads to it landing on this circle, which is a unit circle with radius 1. The area of that circle is, yep, you guessed it, it's pi. So that's how we go from I to pi.